So let me show you how you can utilize AI into your workflow. To be a content creator, you need a domain. It comes from what was your UG undergraduate and postgraduate study you did. So if you studied finance, then finance become your domain. If you studied visual communication or branding, that become a domain. And after that, you might have worked a few years or decades in the profession in that particular domain. So if you studied finance, if you worked in a financial field for a few years, now you have two things. One is experience and exposure. These things are important because you have a real world understanding. UGPG will give you knowledge. You need knowledge to create content and experiential knowledge. Now you're equipped with the first aspect of content creation. Your aim is to create content. So if you look at any content, there will be, depends upon types of content, but largely if you see there is some amount of text and then there is a image, okay? So the two factors are the text and image. For example, as I said, text and visual, we'll say it. It could be video, it could be image, illustration, or a graph. It's a visual inputs, text inputs. These two things you would be needing. Now, if you want to create a content, of course, you want to do it on a particular subject. That means you need to do research. So you do research, you collect data, then you convert some of it into text. Some of that research get into making a graph, visual inputs. And after that, you get into publishing, okay? You have to publish your post. So you do with different social media 1, social media 2, social media 3, depends upon your number of social media you want to put the same post. That means publishing is also an aspect. So now, how do we use AI in this particular creation? So there are a clever way of using AI. Still, we don't have a single agentic AI which does everything for us. We don't have that. So therefore, what you need to do, you have to use intelligently AI. For example, to do a research, there are a few AIs which helps you to do research, then make use of in research. And again, to create visual inputs, you can use AI. To edit or fine-tune your text, you can use AI, another kind of AI. And to publish, to schedule your date and time for each of these social media, once again you can use AI. So you can clearly see there is an AI intervention, of course in research AI intervention and AI intervention. So you use AI in your workflow and take advantage of that tool, okay, and make your work efficient and much more professional, okay? So here I use AI as a tool. It's not going to solve all your problem, but it is very good at solving this individual thing, editing your text, generating image or videos, what you need for your content, and of course to do in-depth research or a deeper research, and scheduling. These are the help what you get from the AI, and that's how you should make use of AI in your content creation as well as distribution. Thanks for listening.